This is the American Bell ECS, or Emergency Call System, Smoke and Fire Alert. And what this is a smoke detection system, but instead of using its own detector, it uses a transmitter, which we'll see in a bit. And that transmitter picks up the sound of an existing alarm. This was from the early 80s, late 70s. Now what it does, when the transmitter picks up the sound of an alarm, it'll dial out your phone line, just like a fire alarm jacked would. But instead of dialing a central station or a monitoring station, it can dial a set phone number that you program into it. For example, you could have it programmed to dial your neighbors or a relative. And of course this was the 80s, so you couldn't program it to call your cell phone, but nowadays you could, which is what I've got it for. Then you can also program it for your address and your own phone number. Now I'll show you programming your own phone number.
Record, start, push choice.
Now I'm going to hit phone here. Now
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You didn't think I'd program my own number, did you? Anyways, now I'll hit record again.
Record, stop.
And now, here's cancel call and reset alarm. But we'll show you what those do in a bit. Let's come in here, and I'll show you the transmitter. This here's the transmitter right here. It usually has a bracket, and I've got it, but it's not readily available. So right there is your dip switches to set the address. Runs on a 9-volt battery, and there's the microphone. Now you will install this on the ceiling or wall next to your detector, with the microphone facing the horn of your detector. So what we're going to do here is I've got my SpectrAlert P1224 MC, and since this is an 80s device, early 80s, it doesn't respond to code 3. I've tried it for several minutes and it just doesn't respond because of the pause, evidently. So it'll only respond to like continuous or 4656 pulsating. So let's do it. Now this is going to pick it up and it'll transmit to the other device there. Usually it reacts faster than that. Now, it's going to dial out. I'll get my cell phone here and my tone dialer because, well, you'll see. As you can hear, it's saying fire, fire. Now, it's dialing out. Now, as you can hear, it's actually using pulse, not your DTMF tones. But like I said, it's going to dial my cell phone here.
Fire, fire, fire.
So it's going to start to ring.
Fire, 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 fire.
I'll answer it.
Fire. There's a fire at 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, S, D. The phone number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please investigate immediately. If you understand the message, push 3 firmly.
Let me turn my dial around.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, S, D. The phone number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please investigate immediately. If you understand the message, push 3 firmly. There is a fire at 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, S, D. The phone number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please investigate immediately. If you understand the message, push 3 firmly. Message received.
There. This phone has kind of a problem. So once the message is acknowledged, this automatically disconnects and it will start beeping at you. Because if you come home, or if you're gone, and you come home, it will tell you that an alarm has sounded. So what you do is hit reset.
Reset.
And it'll tell you. So now, let's say we have, or you have one near a kitchen detector, and you burn toast. Or burn popcorn, burn your roast, whatever. So you don't want it to call out, so what you do is you go to the system, and you see the cancel call, so you hit that.
Message canceled.
Then you have to hit reset again.
Reset.
And that's how the American Bell ECS works. As you can see, it operates off a regular electrical power. Then on the side here is a door which you can access the address for this system. And then there's a backup battery in it.